Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tune into the Crypto Flight Edition. Your fellow compadre is speaking. Kind of a very critical video for Cardano. Cardano needs to do one thing in order for the financial support line to maintain its support within the next 24 hours. It essentially needs to break above one level that we're going to go over in this video. So yeah, so we're going to go over that. Welcome back, loyal family. If you are new, we only go over price action. Please do that research outside of the price action before we get started, please and thank you. All right, so let's crack open the charts to see what we have and dive into it, shall we? All right, so today's June the 11th, 2021, and the current price of Cardano is going to be $1.45, slightly negative, approximately 4.8% for the day. Okay. Welcome back, everyone. ASMR, interesting analysis. So here's what we've been following. It's pretty simple, actually. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is an ascending channel for the Cardano price activity. These are the daily candles, by the way. And what I want to show you is there's been something going on in the Cardano market that suggests that if the buyers don't step in within 24 hours, then the market may be ready to continue the momentum to the downside. So we're starting right here in this little circled area right here. I guess we can make that green because every time the buyers close a daily candle below the financial support line, notice what happens. The market actually pushes back above that financial support line. We're looking at something. This is May the 5th, 2021, where it was like $1.27. Now, if we clone this circle and actually just kind of move it on over here to our next example right here, you notice the same thing happens. When a daily candle closed below that financial support line at May the 23rd, 2021, the very next daily candle closes back above the financial support line right about here. And if we do the same thing, clone it there, I think you guys kind of get where I'm going at with this, hopefully. And if you notice this little example here, at about May the 29th, same thing. Red candle closes below the financial support line. The very next day, the green candle closes back above it, and it kind of has a nice move to the upside. Now, here's where we are today. The market is currently below the financial support line. This is an active daily candle on today's date, June the 11th. So according to the history, at least from the three examples that we've just verified here, the market must, or I don't want to say must, but I mean, I think it's probably in the best interest for Cardano to close back above the financial support line within 24 hours, because again, these are daily candles, right? So if that happens, great. That level would have to be near the, let's see if we can get a price level here. It's going to be at $1.54. I'd prefer to get a little bit higher. That way it could actually create a bullish engulfing candle as it has on these three examples. If you guys can see that, it's kind of something like that. Notice bullish engulfing candle here on May the 5th. Okay. There's also another bullish engulfing here on May the 24th and another bullish engulfing candle here on May the 30th. Okay, so if history were to repeat and the buyers are interested in maintaining the ascending channel here that I cannot make up if we back out, it looks pretty interesting to me. I think it's pretty, I think it's perfect, not perfectly placed, but I think it's a fair placement of the lines that if the market wants to continue within this ascending channel, then it's likely it would be in the best interest to make a bullish engulfing candle. Okay, on tomorrow's date, June the 12th, 2021. Okay, so let's just give like some sort of as long as it's above like $1.57, I feel more comfortable, because again, it would create a bullish engulfing candle there. See if we can make some sort of example, but I think you guys get what I'm saying. So that's the reason why I'm saying that Cardano must make a bullish counter move within 24 hours, something like that, right? And that would be translated into something like $1.64. Just kind of a, just a random number, right? But it's kind of close to what has taken place in the past. All right. So 24 hours. Got to get back above 154 at least. If not, also, let me just kind of show you another reason why I'm saying that the market, the sellers may be just kind of, rubbing their hands together the way some are. They're probably doing that like, yeah, it's time for us to make a break for it, because if you notice, the highest level ever recorded in the Cardano USD pairing is right here at about $2.31. It's according to the candle's bodies. I know it wicked higher, but if you just kind of step back and look at everything, this is the high, but this is a lower high. Okay, so far at least. Okay, but the Cardano, I think, still has a chance, but it is showtime, 24 hours, because the market just made a lower high. So the sellers, the level that they're coming for is this level right around here. So that's going to be at $1.31. That's actually the seller's obligation right now to make a lower low, okay? Because that was just kind of the most recent level where the market found support. If you can see that there, it's getting really hairy here. A lot of lines, right? Kind of bounced off that line, right? Higher low, higher high. So it really, like, it's super important, guys. Yeah, next 24, I don't want to say 48 hours, because if it takes too long, it's going to show a little bit of weakness. I mean, I realize this example here took longer than 24 hours. Like if we kind of zoom in on this little area here, it took like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in order to get back above that level. I guess that would actually be a good thing, because the last time the sellers tried to compromise the financial support on below this ascending channel here, it spent like 5 days below that line. And I guess it kind of ticked off the buyers, so to speak, for the lack of a better term. And notice when it actually closed below that line, the buyers made a very aggressive bullish counter move to the upside, sending the price all the way up to like $2.35, $2.38. Let's see how much of a percentage gain that was within that. So it went up 154% after the sellers made an attempt to break the price down below the financial support line for 5 days. So I think that even if it doesn't take 24 hours, I guess we can give Cardano the benefit of the doubt. I'm not invested. I'm not saying that there's no, real potential here in Cardano. I'm just kind of giving my speculative observation, right? If it doesn't take 24 hours, then we could just kind of erase that and say, according to history, all right, maybe let's just say it takes 5 days to, but it cannot get that low. Let's just say if it stays above like $1.36 and maybe have like 5 clustered days of price activity, like this example here, this example right here. Okay, we'll just do the same thing, guys, but it's showtime. Like, it really must happen in a short period of time, because the sellers, they're going to make a move. Okay, if there's no financial strength here. Okay, because there's two things against the buyers right now. There's a lower high. Okay, you got a lower high. Hang on, sorry. Ooh, sorry, guys, a little bit of unprofessionalism. A lower high here, and you also have the market below the financial support line. Okay, so that's kind of two bearish indications that I'm seeing that the buyers really need to step up here in a short period of time. So that's all I got for you guys. Hopefully this was enough information and useful for you there. So yeah, so leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can push this video out to the Cardano investors. Let them know that it's showtime. If there's anywhere to buy, it would definitely be right here, right? So also, if you're new, before you go there, we covered the traditional stocks if you're into that 7 days a week. So kindly join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll send you that information when it's available. Once again, thanks for listening to the end, guys. Huge support. Thank you. Execute strategies in the market. We'll talk soon. And bye for now.